Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 9. In that we'll see the innings 13.5. Construct a rectangle PQRS where PQ is 5.5 centimeter and PR is 6.4 centimeter. So this is the rough sketch. Here PQ, this is 5.5. So now we have the rectangle PQRS. So it should be like this. PQ is already here. So R should be here. And S will be here. So here PR means we have to take this point from here to here. So this is going to be the diagonal. It's not directly mentioned that that is the diagonal, but PR is 6.4 means it should be from here to here. This is the important point what you have to remember. So we'll see the steps of construction. So this is the construction. So this is not the actual measurement. You can do it with the taking the actual measurement. So first thing, I'll just show you the construction and then I'll show you the steps, the written part. So now, because the PQ is given here 5.5, and you know, because it's a rectangle, it should be this and this should be the same, and this should be the same. Now this is 5.5. So here we cannot draw this line directly, these two lines directly. So what we have to do, we have to take the, to make it to straight means we have to take the perpendicular of this one. So what will you do? You will take the point over here, take the suitable radius on your compass and draw an arc here. Now whatever the measurement you take for this arc, the same thing you will, from this point you will cut here and the next one over here. So these are the two arcs. Then what will you do? You will take this point and draw an arc over here. Then you will take this point and draw an arc over here. So this is the point of intersection. So now this and this you are going to join. So now this is a straight as well as this is a perpendicular. Same thing you will do taking the point Q over here. So you will draw an arc. So this and this you are going to cut it. So from here you will draw one arc over here. From here you will draw the arc over here. And this is the point of intersection. And you are going to join this one. So now you know that PR is given as 6.4. So what will you do? Again on the compass you will take 6.4. From this point, you will take 6.4 and draw an arc over here. So we can do this one, this arc over here. And then again from this one, because you know that both this one are the same, from here you are going to draw an arc over here. So now you can see this is a point, intersection point, this is a point, intersection point. So you will draw these two lines. This is already there. So now you are going to join this SR. After joining, these are the diagonals of it. This is 6.4 means this also should be 6.4. So this is PQRS. So same thing is written here, that take PQ is 5.5, construct 90 degree from P and Q, taking P as center and the radius is 6.4 centimeter, draw an arc, mark the intersection as R, taking Q as center and the radius is 6.4 centimeter, draw an arc and mark the intersection point as S. And then you have to join SR for this one. So therefore PQ is the required vector. Now we'll see how to construct a rhombus whose diagonals are 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively. So in the rhombus, you know that it should look like this is kite. So now this is 6 centimeter means these are the diagonals of it. 6 centimeter means we can take this as, this will be 3 and this is going to be 3. And 4 means this is going to be 2 and this is going to be 2. So now this is the rough sketch. We can name it anyways, like anything, whatever unit, A, B, C, D. I have named A, B, C, D. You can do it PQRS. You can name it anyway, whatever you like. So this is the actual, means not exact diameter, but it should look something like this. So now what is given here? Draw AC is 4 centimeter. So this AC we have taken here 4 centimeter. Now considering A and C as radius and radius centers and radius that will be more than half of AC, construct arcs. So now what will you do? From this is 4 centimeter. So you will take more than half means half is 2. So more than half you will take on the compass and you will draw an arc, one over here and one here down. Again from here you will take the same distance whatever you have taken for this, taking from A, and you will draw this one arc and this one arc. and then this is the point of intersection, and then you are going to draw a perpendicular here line. Now what will you do? The next step is now cut both arcs which intersect at point X and Y and join. You are going to join one. So here this will be O. Both arcs which intersect at point X and joint XY. So that is done. XY intersects AC at O. So this XY, this is intersecting. This is the middle one. So here it is. We can put here O. So now cut 3 centimeter from OX. So you will take on the compass, you will take 3 centimeter because this is 3 and this will be 3 because altogether is 6. So you will put your compass over here and you are going to cut here, taking 3 centimeter. Same thing you will do from this one, from O to here you will put D, and here why are going to put D? Because it will be like this: A, B, C and D. And same from O to B, you will take that same 3 centimeter and cut over here, and later on you will join this line. So see here, take from OX and OY and mark it as B and D and join. Then you will join this part AB because you got this point, then BC, then CD at this point, and then DA. So ABCD is the required rhombus. Construct a parallelogram ABCD in which AB is 4.2 centimeter, BC is 5.5 centimeter, and angle B is 70 degree. So this is the rough sketch. It should look like this. So now we'll see the steps of construction. So here AB is given as 4.2 centimeter. So this is not the actual measurement. You can do it with the actual measurements, but it should be this way. So here is 4.2 centimeter. Construct 70 degree from B. So here what happens, whenever we have 70 and all, we cannot do the actual construction by taking the perpendicular, because whenever we draw the perpendicular line, and then what we do, we cut it into 2 parts, and then this is 60 degree and this will be 120 degree, but we cannot do the construction for 70 degree directly by taking the perpendicular line. So what will you do? You will take with the help of the protractor, you will keep your protractor over here and you will take directly 70 degree and you will draw here one line. So now what happens here, what is given here, that BC is 5.5. So you know that this will be A, B, C and D. So BC means 5.5. So from here you will take, with the help of your compass, you will take 5.5 centimeter. From here you will draw one arc because already this line is drawn. So you will cut this one at 5.5. Again, you know, because now this is a parallelogram, from here you are going to cut it over here 5.5. because this and this should be the same, and this 4.2 means from here you already got this one. From here, with the help of the compass, you will take 4.2 and you will cut this line. So now you can see this is a point of intersection and you are going to join this on these lines. So that is same thing is given here. Construct 70 degree from B, take 5.5 centimeter from B and draw an arc. Mark it as C. From C, take 4.2 centimeter and draw an arc. From A, take 5.5 centimeter and draw an arc and mark the point as D. Joint AD and DC. So the construction should look like this. Construct a rectangle with one side is 5 centimeter and the diagonal is 6 centimeter. So this is the rough sketch. This is 5, and because it's a rectangle means this and this will be the same and this will be the same, and this is the diagonal, that is 6 centimeter. So now we will see how to do it. We'll take AB as 5 centimeter. So this is also roughly done, not with the actual measurements. So this AB is 5 centimeter. So whenever we want to draw these two lines, so we'll draw the perpendiculars first. So here, from this point, we'll taking the suitable radius in the compass, we'll draw one arc. Same, whatever the measurement you have taken, you will cut this into two arcs. We'll take this first and draw one arc over here. From this one, you will taking this point and draw another arc. So this is a point of intersection and you're going to draw a line. Same over from B. You will cut it into 2. From here, you will draw one arc. From here, you will draw another arc and join this one, BC. Now it is given AC and the diagonal is 6 centimeter. So because it's a rectangle, we are going to name, you can name it anything. We may name it as A, B. So C will be here and D. So this is a diagonal. So this will be AC is 6 centimeter, means from here with the help of the compass, you will take 6 centimeter, keeping it over here. You are going to cut this one over here, taking 6 centimeter. Same thing you will take from here and cut it over here, taking 6 centimeter. So now what you can see, this is the point of intersection. So you can, this is the line, this is already there. So it's easy now to join this line. So this also should be 6-1. So this is the construction. Same thing is given over here. You can have a look at the steps of construction. So you can write it in your own words. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.